This is Liberation Day.
Is a major blow.
We will impose a 25% tariff.
Nobody wins in a trade war.
From the United States, that's tough.
My fellow Americans, this is Liberation Day. Waiting for a long time. Effective at midnight, we will impose a 25% tariff on all foreign-made automobiles. You bring it up, Howard. This is our great Secretary of Commerce. So, if you look at that, China, first row, China, 67%. That's tariffs charged to the USA, including currency manipulation and trade barriers.
President Trump's announcement of universal tariffs on the whole world, including the European Union, is a major blow to the world economy. I deeply regret this choice. Let's be clear-eyed about the immense consequences. The global economy will massively suffer. Uncertainty will spiral and trigger the rise of further protectionism.
Nobody wins in a trade war. That is not in our national interest. We have a fair and balanced trade relationship with the US. Negotiations on an economic prosperity deal, one that strengthens our existing trading relationship. They continue, and we will fight for the best deal for Britain.
I consider the U.S. president's latest tariff decisions to be fundamentally wrong. This is an attack on a trade order that has created prosperity all over the world. A trade order that is essentially the result of American endeavors. The entire global economy will suffer from these ill-considered decisions. Companies and consumers all over the world, including in the USA. The decision announced last night was both brutal and unfounded. Unfounded because you don't correct trade imbalances by putting tariffs in place. The basics of economic theory show the opposite. Particularly as the imbalance doesn't take into account services, including digital services, to cite just one, if not others.
Strengthen and expand domestic manufacturing for the internal vehicle market, reinforcing innovation, research and development, and energy efficiency. We have the plan. We have spoken with the automotive industry. The objective is for most of the vehicles consumed in Mexico to be manufactured in our country, in dialogue with the different countries of the world.
What's going on with the tariffs, and we got, as you know, the auto tariffs this week from the United States, that's tough. That's tough. But this is an enormous opportunity for this company, for this country, and I think ultimately for America.
Our country has been the largest global investor in the United States since 2019. Japanese companies have played, and continue to play, a major role in the U.S. economy.